It's because of this. It's because of Geode. If we search up Geometry Dash Steam, you can see there's a new update. Whoa, 2.2008. It's an improvements update. This took a year. Click between frames, some leaderboards, gauntlets, editor stuff, and just bug fixes. It's nothing. Don't update your Geometry Dash. Let's see here. Hitboxes on death. That's already in Mega Hack. Okay, the only thing I actually care about is that you can just add more links to your profile. I'll do that on mobile anyway, so it's fine. Oh, and there's a new logo. Wow, what a great update. This took a year. See, a lot of people are mad that Geode isn't working. That's why I am not updating. And as you can see, I still have all of my mods. This is just great. Now, the only issue is that my profile won't load and every single profile in the game just won't work. But that's all right. Level search still works. Look, it's my level, guys. Oh my gosh. This is the greatest level ever, guys. Give it a like. Geode still has full support for this version, so go wild. If you are scared to update, just check the video in the description and it'll show how to block GD from updating on Steam. And mods like iCreate Pro are still gonna work just fine. They're not gonna update at all. There's a new Chompo logo for a level called Chompo, I believe. Let's see if this works. Chompo. Oh, I spelled it wrong. I think this is the level. I'm not sure though. If we play it, yeah, the audio works fine. Don't update your game, guys. I cannot live without mods in Geometry Dash. They provide way too much value. It's insane. This is by far my favorite GD mod, but it hasn't been updated for 2.2. It's kind of sad. If you go on YouTube and you search up X Creator Goals video, it's really funny. Oh my gosh, he's made 4 videos on it. This update has been out for like 2 days.
It's been 14 months since the update.
14 months, and all we got was some Geode mods in the game and some gauntlets. Whenever the iOS update drops, I will be downloading this on my phone because it might add support for 240 hertz, and that would be an absolute game changer. The need for iCreate Pro would disappear entirely, except for all their other cool mods. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Hit the like if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn how to stop your Geometry Dash from updating, then click the video in the description. That's it.